What's up, KK gang? It's me, Quee, and I'm back with another video. So y'all, today I will be working with this company called I think it's called Afsisterwigs. Afsisterwig. Y'all, I'm super excited to be trying this hair because y'all know I love me some wavy with some deep waves, some loose deep, some body wave. Like, I just love the curls for the summertime, and y'all know I love my body wave too. But I'm super excited to be trying this Afsister hair, y'all. Everything about this hair will be listed in the description box below. I can't remember if it's a 22 or 20 inch wig, but yeah. And it comes with all this extra, but we ain't finna do no unboxing today, sis. We finna get straight into this video. Okay. Oh, it come with adjustable strap. I already connected in the back, so boom. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna do this like a glueless wig because I got the adjustable strap. So what we going down for? You get what I'm saying? And you also get this too, so it's gonna be super secured in the back. So yeah, y'all saw that title. This is showing y'all how I install my lace front wigs. And yeah, so also follow me on Instagram. It's _Quee if y'all wanna, you know, see pictures with me with this hair on. I'll put my down here somewhere. It's _Quee. And yeah, we're about to get into this video. I really don't do like bleaching my knots. I always put makeup on my knots. They're just my go-to. They're so quick. So yeah, this is the hair, and let's get into this video, sis. Y'all will be looking at my mirror that's over here, and I will turn my camera so that y'all can see me and everything I do when I install my lace front with it.